Kevin is setting up the rocket. Where's the hole? Look at the rocket. Dun, 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 dun. Looks like a penis. The Hulk's penis.
The Hulk's penis is
green. But this one can like fly up.
Nothing to Hulk.
No.
When it gets angry, it gets bigger.
When the Hulk gets angry, his penis gets bigger. Sweet. That'd be so cool if like one night your girlfriend pissed you off and you're like, bitch, take this. And your dick got bigger. She's like, oh my god, it's like having a baby. And then when you're done and she's all crying and bloody and she'd be like, there's more where that came from.
And be like, yeah, I hope you haven't had a baby. So that would be pretty bad. This is going to feel...
I have a big wiener.
Shit!
What?
You gotta put the video on.
God damn it. Stupid faggot cable. So you're gonna hook it up to the battery and it's gonna spark that thing.
It's gonna spark this thing and spark...
And the spark will make rocket go boom.
Spark will make rocket.
That's pretty sweet.
450.
Oh, 450 feet.
So I got it to go in class. Fucking Jews. Fucking Simon.
It's all Simon's fault because he's a Jew. God damn it.
Today in school, I was like, Simon, you want to buy a sticker? He's like, what's it for? I'm like, if you don't buy one, then we're going to have a shitty fucking prom. And so I'm like, if you buy one, I'll give you $1 tomorrow. So he bought one. And I'm like, I saw him later in the hall. I was like, I'm not giving you $1.
He got pissed. He's like, I'm a Jew. I would laugh if he started crying. It's 100 pennies, Kevin. Dude, that thing is pretty fucking annoying. Fucking A! Both of the wires just came off. 2 minutes and 26 seconds you've been fucking this thing. How about you like shoving it, like after you shove it in, just like bend that thing forward?
Oh yeah, good idea. You're smart. Ish. Never got that one.
Yeah. I get the silver gate Jewish one. The silver one is a fucking cunt. There it is. There she is. Okay, that thing looks ready. Hope the battery works. I really don't feel like walking back to the car. Alright, ready? Here it goes.
In 5,
4, 3.
Just kidding.
No. Shit.
Are you kidding me? I swear to God. If worse comes to worse, you have to bring your car up here and use your car battery.
Shit. What batteries did you guys use in class?
Car battery.
Car battery? Fuck. I don't know how the fuck I can maneuver my car up here.
I'm not saying that. Actually, I'm just kidding.
Any battery can work though, right? Let's go get the ones from the car.
Not any battery. Let me just try it one more time.
Alright, trying it one more time. Ready.
Yeah, I think that was the car battery.
You know, it's not really safe to have those rocket engines right by that, in case. Alright. Fuck, let's go get the batteries in the car. Shit. Wait, I can maneuver my car up here.
I don't think that's a good idea.
It's illegal, but
Exactly.
I can do it.
I don't think that'd be a real good idea. Never do. That's so weird. Still recording?
Yeah. Should I cut it off?
No. Cut it off. I think so.
Alright, I'm gonna be like, cut it off.
Sorry. Like, cut it off. It's like the black people that around the neighbors. They're like, cut the light off. What? Cut the light off. What? Turn the fucking light off.
Shit. Gonna get some batteries from the car. Yo, what if we like link up all 3 batteries together?
That would probably not work.
That would work. Fuck, I want to go swimming in this shit. Even if it is a kiddie pool, it's beautiful. It's a beauty. Shit. I don't know. Fuck. Can't run with my pants down. What time is it? Like 5. Sweet. 4:20. Fuck.
Sure, that fucking works.
Hope nobody stole our rocket while we were looking. I crafted it.